Are we all ready?
Yes, we are.
The materials needed is a jar of water, balloons, vinegar, baking soda, paper clips, and a small bottle. For safety, you need adults, parents to supervise you.
So let's begin.
Yes.
Okay, Omar, your part. Isa, your part. You do your part now together, guys.
Oh.
Isa, you go.
Filling up. Oh.
This is yours.
So we need the help of our parents to put the balloon on the top of the bottle. But before we do that, let's observe what will happen. 3, 2. Let's observe. And as you can see, it's filling up. It's full.
Yeah. Okay.
So when vinegar and baking soda first mix together, hydrogen ions in the vinegar with the sodium and the carbonate ions in the baking soda. The reaction is two new chemical carbonic acid and sodium acetate, carbon dioxide gas.
So, did you see the balloon? What's happened? It's like
It's going to explode. The
reaction. See, it's like become the air balloon.
And
See,
this is
it's go up.
it's floating because all of density.
Yes. So it's
It
crazy.
has a lower density. Oh yeah. Oh.
See,
Oh, now it's getting out.
getting out. Getting out. Yeah. Put it back again.
I didn't know that.
Wow. You see the reactions of the chemicals?
So,
Okay. So
this
I
was
hope you learned
something
new.
today.